Hi everyone! We are a group of student researchers who want to contribute to Singapore's fight against COVID-19. Today, we will be showing you how to make DIY masks with household items you probably have. Let's go! To make a mask, these are the items you will need. A waterproof tote bag, dried wet wipes, bendable metal strip, stapler, scissors, elastic hair tie, masking tape, and a shirt. The tote bag and wet wipes may be purchased from local supermarkets like NTUC and Sheng Siong. Before you begin, check that the tote bag is waterproof. Now, cut the tote bag and shirt to 17 by 17 centimeters. Before you start, remember to wash your hands. Now, we are ready to start. Let's go! Lay the tote bag on a clean table, followed by the dried wet wipe on top, and tape the bendable metal strip onto the dried wet wipe. Lay the cotton shirt onto the top and staple them together. Now, form the pleats by pinching the layers and folding them down as shown here. Hold the pleats in place using the staples. Repeat the steps to form a total of 3 pleats. Sew off the edges of the mask using the masking tape. Trim off any excess tape. Next, to form the ear loops, staple the elastic band onto both sides of the shirt layer. Ta-da! Your very own DIY mask is ready to be worn! Unfold the pleats and press down the top of the mask to mold the metallic strip to the bridge of your nose. Your mask should fit snugly to your face with no excessive movements when you move your head. To reuse, disassemble the mask. Wash and sun the tote bag, shirt, and elastic band. Dispose the dried wet wipes and replace it with a new wipe. Isn't it simple? What are you waiting for? Let's get moving!